बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम बात करेंगे पेडागोजी क्वेश्चन, 100 क्वेश्चन मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर एफपीएससी फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, पीपीएससी पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन, एनटीएस नेशनल टेस्टिंग सर्विस और किसी भी टीचिंग इम्तिहान के हवाले से, बी एड के हवाले से, पेडागोजी के हवाले से अगर आप पेपर देने जा रहे हैं, टीचिंग के हवाले से कोई भी फेडरल का देने जा रहे हैं, जूनियर फीमेल टीचर का देने जा रहे हैं या किसी भी पोस्ट का आप तैयारी करें पेडागोजी के हवाले से, तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है 100 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है। इनको आपने लाजमी देखकर जाना है अपने पेपर से पहले, क्योंकि ये पेडागोजी के हवाले से मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है 100। पहला एमसीक्यूज है पेडागोजी का। पेडागोजी का मतलब क्या है? द आर्ट एंड साइंस ऑफ टीचिंग इज कॉल्ड पेडागोजी। फिर सेकंड एमसीक्यूज है द मेन रोल ऑफ अ टीचर इज। टीचर का मेन रोल क्या होता है? टू फैसिलिटेट लर्निंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है हमारा, हु इज़ द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न एजुकेशन? जॉन डेवे को फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न एजुकेशन कहते हैं। लर्निंग बाय डूइंग इज एम्फेसाइज्ड बाय जॉन डेवे ने कहा था। विच डोमेन ऑफ ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी डील्स विद फिजिकल स्किल्स? तो साइको मोटर डोमेन है, ये डील करती है। क्वेश्चन 6 है, विच डोमेन ऑफ लर्निंग इन्वॉल्व्स एटीट्यूड एंड वैल्यूज? अफेक्टिव डोमेन करेक्ट आंसर है। कॉग्निटिव डोमेन इज रिलेटेड टू नॉलेज एंड मेंटल स्किल्स, ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर है। हु गेव द 3 डोमेन्स ऑफ लर्निंग? बेंजामिन ब्लूम ने दी थी 3 डोमेन लर्निंग की। द पर्पज ऑफ लेसन प्लानिंग इज टू ऑर्गेनाइज लर्निंग एक्टिविटीज इफेक्टिवली, ये करेक्ट है। फॉर्मेटिव एवेल्यूएशन इज यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग टीचिंग टू इम्प्रूव लर्निंग, ये करेक्ट आंसर है। क्वेश्चन 11 है, समेटिव एवेल्यूएशन इज डन at the end of a course or unit, ये correct है summative। Objective type question are used to test knowledge and understanding, ये correct है। The most effective method of teaching is student centered method, ये math correct है। The best evaluation of a student is continuous and comprehensive। Question 15 है, the main purpose of education is all round development of the child। Question 16 है, teaching aids are used to make learning more effective and interesting। Question 17 है, micro teaching is used to develop specific teaching skills, ये correct answer है। 18 है, the first step in the teaching process is, तो ये है planning, ये correct है answer। A good teacher is one who motivates students to learn, correct है। The term curriculum refers to the total learning experiences provided by the school। A syllabus is a part of a curriculum, co-curriculum। In a democratic classroom, the teacher should encourage participation of students। Question 23 है, diagnostic evaluation helps to identify learning difficulties। Question 24 है, remedial teaching aims at removing learning difficulty, ये correct है इसका। The method best suited for developing critical thinking is discussion method। Which theory emphasizes reinforcement behaviorism? Who gave the law of effect? Edward Thorndike ने दिया था। Learning is a relatively permanent change in behavior। Motivation in learning means inspiring students to learn। Who proposed the hierarchy of needs theory? तो अब्राहम मैस्लो ने दी थी। Which of the following is an intrinsic motivation? Interest in the subject। Extrinsic motivation means learning for rewards or grades। Who introduced the concept IQ? Alfred Binet ने दिया। Intelligent question concept Alfred Binet ने दिया था। Learning through observation is called social learning। Who proposed the social learning theory? Albert Bandura ने की थी। According to Piaget, children learn through active exploration के जरिए learn करते हैं। Piaget stages of development are based on cognitive development में base करती हैं। The concrete operational stage occurs at 7 to 11 years। The senioromotor stage occurs at birth to 2 years। The formal operational stage begins at 11 years and above। According to Wagner, learning occurs in social interaction। Zone of proximal development is given by Liv-Godsky. Scaffolding means temporary support to learners. इसका correct answer है. Constructive emphasis, learners construct knowledge themselves. ये इसका correct answer है. Which is not a student center method. तो lecture method student center method नहीं है. Project method was developed by William H. Kilpatrick ने किया था. The playway method is useful in primary education. The main focus of Bloom's taxonomy is educational objectives. The highest level on Bloom's taxonomy in Bloom's cognitive domain is evaluation, less than revised to creating. 50 MCQs है, which is not a level of teaching, comprehensive level teaching का level नहीं है. Memory level of teaching was proposed by Herbert ने दिया था. Understanding level of teaching was proposed by Morrison ने दिया था. Reflective level of teaching was proposed by Hunt ने दिया था ये वाला. Which is the most thoughtful level of teaching? Reflective method. Reflective level. The main characteristic of a good teaching is effective communication. ये correct है. The communication process involves sender, message, channel, receiver and feedback. ये इसका proper chain है. Feedback in teaching is used to improve learning outcomes. A good classroom environment is democratic and supportive. Discipline in the classroom is maintained by mutual respect and clear rules. The best way to handle misbehavior is positive discipline. Curriculum should be child-centered. Curriculum. The hidden curriculum means unintended learning from environment. ये correct answer है. The National Education Policy NEP focuses on quality and inclusive education पे focus करती है. Evaluation is a process of judging learners' progress. ये correct है इसका. The best test for measuring learning outcome is achievement test. Action research is conducted by teacher in the classroom. The main purpose of action research is to solve classroom problems. ये correct है. In team teaching, teachers plan and teach together, which is not an element of lesson plan. Homework checking ये lesson plan में नहीं आता. A unit plan includes a group of related lessons. ये unit plan होता है. Individual differences mean variation in learners' abilities and interests. ये है individual differences. The main cause of individual differences is heredity and environment. ये दो main causes हैं. Exceptional children are those who differ from average in learning ability. Gifted children need enrichment programs. Slow learners need remedial teaching. ये remedial teaching slow learners को दीजिए. Inclusive education means education for all children together. Special education is for children with disabilities. ICT in education stands for information and communication technology. E-learning means learning through electronic devices. Flipped classroom means learning content at home, practice in class. Blended learning combines online and face-to-face learning. ये correct है. Educational psychology helps teachers to understand learner behavior. ये correct है. Transfer of learning means application of knowledge to new situations. ये correct है. Positive transfer occurs when previous learning helps new learning. Negative transfer occurs when previous learning interferes with new learning. ये correct है. 86 है. Memory can be improved by meaningful learning and repetition. Anecdotal record is used for recording student behavior. Socratic method is used based on the question and answer technique. Correlation between teaching and learning is interdependent. Teacher-centered approach focuses on teachers' control and instruction. Student-centered approach focuses on active participation of students. Which is an example of student-centered method? तो problem-solving method example है student-centered method की. The main purpose of a homework is reinforcement of learning. Evaluation of effective domain can be done by observation and rating scales. 95 है. The term pedagogy is derived from Greek language. In education, the term andragogy refers to adult learning. Andragogy. The best example of summative assessment is final examination summative. पीयर टीचिंग मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स टीचिंग ईच अदर, ये पीयर टीचिंग होती है, स्टूडेंट एक दूसरे को और टीच करते हैं। 99 है, द मेन गोल ऑफ एजुकेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू ब्लूम इज डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टोटल पर्सनैलिटी, ये मेन गोल है एजुकेशन का। और लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आज की वीडियो का, अ सक्सेसफुल टीचर शुड इंस्पायर स्टूडेंट्स टू बिकम लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्नर, ये 100 MCQs थे। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो भी टीचिंग के पेपर देने जा रहा है पेडागोजी के हवाले से तो उनके साथ शेयर करें, ग्रुप्स में, व्हाट्सएप में, अगर आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है उनमें शेयर करें ताकि दूसरों की हेल्प हो सके। शुक्रिया।